Now, talking a little bit more about Apple's most recent product launch, the AirPods Max. We made a video unboxing every color that Apple offers. I guess that was 5 total. There was the red, the silver, the black, the blue, the green. The red is more of a pink. Anyway, yeah, made a video unboxing them all. You can go check that out yourself. However, maybe, Will, all those colors are just not, none of them are suitable for you because you have even higher standards than a $500 pair of headphones in one of Apple's lame colors. I don't believe they're lame, but this is you. I'm painting a picture here.
Yeah. Well.
You're the type of guy that actually needs everything you do is covered in gold. And I'm talking real gold. And everything you do is covered in crocodile leather. See, people don't know you on a personal level like I do.
There's nothing but
as soon as we leave this place, it's just your upholstery in your vehicle is crocodile leather and your dashboard is 24 karat gold.
Yeah. PETA's on me 24/7.
Personally, I think it's a little much, but
no,
not for a guy like you. Anyway, Caviar, the company, speaking of another video we published recently, the Elon Musk edition iPhone from Caviar, they were not satisfied, obviously, with just customizing iPhones. Did you see this video yet?
No, I haven't.
Blurred out right there?
Yeah.
That's mystery, Will.
Yeah.
They're not satisfied just doing phones. They also want to do the AirPods Max because these things are the ultimate status symbol. And so they're going to plate these with pure gold for a price, holy moly, for a price of $108,000. $108,000. Now, I feel the need. I made this recent video. I feel the need just to give people a little background here. This company, Caviar, the whole point of them existing is this ultra limited. It's not meant for the average person. It's meant to be, hey, I have this and no one else has it.
Yes.
Type of thing. And you pay some tremendous amount of money. They buy these products from Apple. They're in Russia. They customize them. It obviously is a fairly painstaking process to do it. And they customize them and sell them to just a couple of people. Really, that's the business. Anyway, so this is one of the most expensive items I think they've ever done. $108,000. And they're only going to do a single piece worldwide of the black model and the white model.
Oh, so one of one.
101! Oh, man. So I guess it's some type of bragging rights situation. Listen, it's some people are out there with more money than they know what to do with, for real. And they want to own something that's 101, and maybe they don't even want to wear it. Maybe they want to put it somewhere and say that's 101.
Yeah.
And just look at it. I don't know. There are some outlandish products that exist in the world. And some people get frustrated looking at the existence of these things. Some people say, it's not practical. I'm angry. And you're allowed to be. That's fair. But there are so many things on this planet with exorbitant price tags, and none of them are practical. The more expensive something gets, the less practical it is.
Yeah.
For the most part, in most categories.
I'll take two, though.
Yeah, you take them both, Will, the black and the white. What else did they say? It looks elegant, emphasizing the status of the owners and their impeccable taste for people who want to always be on top. You see that, Will? That's all you have to do. You buy this, you stay on top.
Perfect.
It's exactly that simple.
Yeah.
You've been wondering all these years, what do I do to stay on top? All you had to do was save $108,000 for this moment right here.
Yeah.
And then you've secured your position.
Not even wear them. Just buy them.
You've secured your position for the remainder of life exclusively on top. No one else can be there with you. Well, actually, one other person who has the other model.
No, I got that.
Oh, yeah, you got both. Okay, so fine. It's just you. Anyway, yeah, it's a bit of fun. It's obviously insane. That's the point of their products. They're meant to be insane so that those that get them feel insane. At how successful they've been that they can actually buy these. It's the point of it, man.
I made it.
Gee,